G'day guys, Dallas here from Dunn Watson. We're just going to have a chat to you today about the Dunn Watson Eco Drawers. So we've grabbed an 850 long 300mm high model here to discuss with you. They are also available in a 200mm high. I'm just going to talk about the product a little bit and hopefully answer any questions you may have. Obviously they're key locking from this cargo drawer lock. To engage that lock, you simply pull down on that trigger, allows you to pull them out. Very deep drawers. This eco style allows us to not lose much in the folding of the frame, which allows us to maximize the storage that you can actually get from a drawer like this. These are not weatherproof drawers, so these drawers would be something you'd put inside your canopy or in the back of your car or inside your ute tub, providing you had a rolling top or a fiberglass canopy or something like that. You can slam them shut. There's a striker plate on the underside. So, slam shut drawer. They're built in-house from 3mm aluminium. They come in a variety of lengths, fully welded, Australian-made product that we're very proud of. Nice, simple, light cargo drawers. So if you have any questions, please give us a call or flick us an email.